Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Cancer, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Cancer, let's begin your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Cancer, if you're newbie here, we welcome you as well to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Okay, Cancer, the Wheel of Fortune, Page of Cups, Five of Swords, Six of Pentacles, the Magician, center of my spread, Cancer, with the Queen of Cups, Seven of Cups, King of Swords, and the Queen of Pentacles, but in reverse. What's going on here? The Lovers. Okay, very, very strong connection here, Cancer, but maybe there's some choices being made here as well. Let's see what this is all about. Somebody's trying to manifest. I think something happened here. They're waiting for divine timing to let some time pass, maybe to come in with an apology. Maybe there was a bit of a power struggle here. Somebody was trying to be victorious and see my way or the highway, that kind of a scenario where things became a bit imbalanced. But somebody is trying to manifest this Queen of Cups now. They know who their right choice is. But right now, I guess the fight is on for some reason, or you guys are feeling not on the same page. But somebody is manifesting this connection back, that much I know. So I'll clarify these cards, of course, but before that, let's start with some dialogue message cards, Cancer. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll move on. So Cancer and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Cancer and their person. Cancer and their person. Let's take a few more, Cancer, from another deck. Cancer and their person. Cancer and their person. Okay. And I'll take one or two more from another deck. Cancer and their person. All right, good to go, Cancer. Let's begin our reading. The first card I have here with me says, you're holding us back because of your own self-worth issues and inability to forgive yourself. I've forgiven you. Would you just forgive yourself already? Let's live our life together, free from the past. No one is perfect. So somebody is really hoping that, things can start being smooth again, things can start flowing once again, and they want to apologize for that. You go to bed with someone else and your soul comes back to make love to me. I know when you're with someone else, and this just makes me feel heartbroken. You should be here making love to me. I get so effing jealous knowing that you're in bed with a karmic at night. Oh my God, second reference to somebody feeling that their person is with somebody else. I get so effing jealous knowing that you're in bed with the karmic at night. I feel sick to my stomach at the thought of you in bed with them. Every night, I just want to be home, and home is in your arms. I'm in a relationship with someone else. See, here it is. No wonder the other person's jealous. I'm in a relationship with someone else. Still, you're always on my mind and in my heart. All I want is you. During our separation, our love has only grown stronger. I long to see you again and unite as one. My family doesn't understand our connection. I've told them how I feel about you and tried to explain it, but they have particular ideals and don't understand our spiritual love. With just one text, one call, one look, one smile, you make my day. You're the most important person in my life, and it doesn't matter where I am. I'm always thinking of you, day and night. Let's get away together and disconnect from the world. Do you think about me? So, Cancer, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. Before I start clarifying these cards, Cancer, I'm going to take an angel blessing card. See how my angels are going to bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. Cancer. Okay. Steady progress, Cancer. Don't give up hope. Things are moving. You may not be able to see them because there's some strong manifestations going on here. So don't give up hope. There is movement. Even if you feel there is none, things are really stagnant at the moment. Things are happening. Okay? Steady progress. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Cancer, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there as well. So, Wheel of Fortune, Spirit. Wheel of Fortune for Cancer. Somebody really wants their luck to change now. They want to fight one more time. They don't want to give up. Maybe, yeah, in the past something happened between the two of you, Cancer. Maybe there was a fight, there was an argument, harsh words could have been spoken between the two of you. I do see a lot of heartbreak because of that. And yes, maybe keeping yourself guarded at the moment. But somebody does want to reach out now. Page of Cups. Page of Cups. Yes, they're totally in love with this Queen of Cups. There is whoever this Knight of Swords is, who had this verbal diarrhea, said some horrible things, or was rash, or was not consistent. They do know, heart of hearts, that they love this Queen of Cups very much. This Queen of Cups has come in twice, and I saw somebody manifesting them back in their life as well, right? So this Queen of Cups is here to tell us that somebody doesn't want to end this chapter. They just don't want this chapter to end between the two of you. There is still a lot of love that this person feels, even though hearts have been broken, things have been said, but somebody is waiting that hopefully things can get better. They do want to apologize big time. Yes, maybe this person was very selfish or self-centered, or was only thinking about themselves in the past. But now they want to come and apologize, even though I think in the past there were a lot of power struggles. This person, in their ego, pride, or their self-centered behavior, they were quite weak. You know, when a person is weak, they try and behave in a very silly manner. They never kind of did the right thing here. Always bringing imbalance to the connection. But now things are out in the open. Some secrets have been revealed. What's that, Spirit? Yeah, somebody was trying to probably escape from a marriage or a commitment, or having to give commitment. But all that has kind of backfired on them, it seems. Whatever they were trying to do has made them feel like they lost. They lost a very powerful, passionate connection. Six of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles, Spirit. Yes, this kind of behavior by this King of Swords, this being cold and never, I'm not emotional, I'm not going to give to the connection, being harsh, being rude, it's led to them losing the biggest love of their life. Now they're recognizing how imbalanced they had made this connection. Whoever this person is, Cancer, whether this is you or your cross watcher, I don't know. But whoever this person is, because of their bad behavior, especially their speech could be quite harsh and rude. It's led to a lot of imbalance in this connection, which has made them lose out on love. Now there's some manifestation going on. What's the Spirit? Magician. Magician. Yes, now they recognize, actually, heart of hearts, I'm not the King of Swords in reverse. I actually have a lot of love for my person. Now they're going back and forth in their mind, wondering how to manifest this Queen of Cups back into their life. Now they're on the same page, right? This is the King of Cups to the Queen of Cups. So maybe in the past they were not sure, or they were juggling, or they were not, bringing any balance to this relationship. But now this was just an illusion they were creating. Heart of Hearts, I think there's a lot of love here that they felt for this Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups, Spirit? Queen of Cups? Yes, they feel they made a very, very unwise decision when it came to this Queen of Cups. A very, very unwise decision of leaving this Queen of Cups out in the cold. Whatever they did to this Queen of Cups, now they're suffering the same thing. Now they're feeling that because of their foolish decisions, they are feeling abandoned, they are feeling left out in the cold. Now their heart is full of love, and they're wondering how to bring it back now. Seven of Cups in reverse. Seven of Cups in reverse. Yes, now they know what their choice is. They are no longer confused. They want to get unstuck now from their past ways. They want to be they want to be free of not making a move, or feeling stuck, or not moving towards their person, because now they are 100% sure. They've had that aha moment. They've had that epiphany that, hey, there was nobody else. It was only this one cup that I wanted, and the cup that I want is this Queen of Cups. So then, Spirit, why is the King of Swords here again in reverse with the Queen of Pentacles? Oh, they fear. They don't know how to come in with an apology right now, Cancer. They feel their person has already made some kind of a decision here because of their bad behavior in the past. They feel their person is very upset and angry with them. They're stuck. They're absolutely stuck. They're at crossroads right now. They're planning how to make this work again. According to them, they feel this Queen of Cups has now become the Queen of Pentacles in reverse, meaning they will never want to be their spouse. They don't trust them. They don't want to be with them. They will never agree to any proposal coming from me again. And there may be distance between the two of you right now, or maybe they feel there's no coming together at the moment, because their person could be very upset and angry with them. So right now, whoever this King of Cups / King of Swords is, they are in limbo. They're totally in limbo right now. They are going back and forth in their mind, planning, wondering what to do. But till then, just waiting. It's like wait and watch to see. Right now, they've kind of lost hope. They feel their person has already made that decision, is very upset, very angry, will never, ever, ever want to come towards them again, or allow them to come towards them, and may even reject, any proposal, or want to move towards them. Anything else, Spirit, for the lovers? Anything else for these lovers? There's some kind of conflict going on here right now. As much as this person wants to come back, they feel there's so much of conflict here. They fear this Queen of Pentacles here again. They fear this person who they now think is their perfect person, the person who's loving, kind, gentle, can provide, is the person they want as the wife now, or their spouse. They are fearing that they won't be given a second chance here. They're fearing that, they've been judged. So that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.